at the level where AI is, like, it's about to blow up.
Because the world is going to be full of AI hobbyists. But I only right now want to talk to the people that want to build an AI business.
Any way that you think you are moving fast, you probably have to move faster, because that is the rate of AI today.
Hi, everybody. Are you ready for today? I'm so excited.
Who's ready for another day to learn how to use artificial intelligence to blow up your business?
In the age of AI, what Alicia is teaching you, there is no reason that you cannot get people what they need immediately.
People are actually out here getting wins. You can't do anything but get excited.
Trey Johnson, congratulations. You just won a $500 grant. Did not the roof. Congratulations to you in the check.
Claude and ChatGPT right now are talking to each other. Hands off. That's a good way to say it. Like, hands off. Let AI do the work.
Being in the right rooms with the right people and the right advice. You're going to dominate AI.
This week right now is all in week. This is our serving week. We are serving a lot of people.